Struggling to create eye-catching images without design skills? In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI to generate stunning images in just a few clicks. Let's turn your ideas into visuals. Fast and easy. First, open the Canva website in your browser. Now click on Canva AI. Next, click on Describe your idea. Select the image category you want. Then choose your preferred image ratio. After that, click on the plus icon if you want to insert any photo along with your prompt. Now type your prompt clearly in the box. Once done, click on the arrow icon to run the prompt. Wait for a few seconds while Canva generates the images. You will now see 4 different AI-generated images. Select the image you like the most. Click on Edit if you want to edit the photo, or you can download it directly. Now edit the photo as you want using Canva tools. After finishing the edit, click on Share. Then click on Download. Select your image format. Click on Download again. Choose the file location, and the image will be downloaded. Canva AI image generation and download is now complete. That's it. You've successfully created an AI image using Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.